Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ghost the Freelancer. For today's recording, we are working on a Japanese head. I believe this is going to be the same quality for the English version. It is what you call PA Defects Japanese. I did something like this before, but I think it's totally different. So here is a guideline. Um, we are given a task and a corresponding suggestion below, and we have to judge it uh, based on the following questions. Um, let's jump into this. Is the question a is the suggestion a question? Select yes if it is a question. Does the suggestion make sense? Select yes if it does make sense. Is the suggestion grammatically correct? Select yes. If it is grammatically correct, rather without any grammatical errors, does the suggestion have proper casing? Select proper casing means like for this one, Microsoft, it has to be an uppercase letter. Okay, those are the examples. So right now, the first hit suggestion. What do you know about a bridge H without knowing it? Is the suggestion a question? Yes. Does the suggestion make sense? Not for me. Look at that. It has to bridge H without knowing it. What do you know about bridge H without knowing it? Is the suggestion grammatically correct? It's no. Does the suggestion have proper casing? Yes for me. Let's see. Yep, we got it right. Moving on. How many blue books can you buy? Is the suggestion a question? Yes. Does the question make sense? Yes. Is the question grammatically correct? Yes. Does the suggestion have proper casing? Now, this is quite difficult to understand because blue book should be, for me, it should be uppercase. Uh, why is BTS? No problem. Is the suggestion a question? Is the proper casing? When? Why am I? This one is a no. Amazon, yeah, it should be uppercase. So going back here, it's a no. Yep, we got it right. Moving on to the next, let me translate it. Again, this is already the qualification round. Where can I use my Chevron Plus credit card? Where can I use my Chevron Plus? Yes, yes, yes. Proper casing. Yep. What PVP buffs your condo for use? It is a yes. It does not make sense. It doesn't. It is grammatically incorrect. No, definitely no. A in the word what is uppercase. Yep, we got it right. Moving on to the next is who was the family bill for Davis case? Who was the family bill for David? It is a question. It does not make sense. Is the suggestion grammatically correct? I'm stuttering. I'm sorry. Who was the family bill for Davis case? I would say no here and no here as well. I doubt my answer in the last. Let's try it. Yep, we got it right. Who sings the Dynamite song? Who sings the Dynamite song? It should be who sung the Dynamite song. Okay, it is a yes. Uh, who sung? Who sings the Dynamite song? Does the question make sense? It does somehow. Is the suggestion grammatically correct? It's a no for me. Does it have a proper casing? No again. 0001. Oh no, sorry. I'm not sure here. Okay, is the suggestion grammatically correct? It's supposed to be a yes. Does the question have proper casing? It's a yes as well. We got one mistake. It's fine. Let me go back here and see how many hits we need to finish. 10 hits. It pays a lot. Is there too much silver in fact? Is there too much silver in fact? It is a yes. Is there too much silver? In fact, no, no as well. Let's three. Yeah, we got it right. What does your unknown phone number do if to says it is a yes? It does not make sense. It's not grammatically correct. It has no proper casing. All right, hold on here. I made some. I missed a question. Moving on to the next. Is there an app for Capella University students? It's a yes. It's a yes. It's a yes. App should be uppercase, I believe, but I doubt my answer here. Okay, we got it right, luckily. Where did the meme fight Josh? Where did the meme fight Josh? It is a question. It does not make sense. It's grammatically incorrect. It has proper casing. Yep. Okay, we passed the qualification, guys. Let me show it to you. I don't want to show my name because that's gonna be a problem. But anyways, yeah, we did pass it. I just don't know how to drag this window so you guys will be able to see it. Um, yeah, I couldn't show you because it'll show my name as well. But let me. Okay, I have to. There you go. All right. I hope this video helped you out. Again, my name is Ghost the Freelancer. We have a Facebook group called Ghostly Hitters or Clickworker Philippines and Ghostly Hitters. For you to join, you have to subscribe to our tutorial channel first and then answer the relevant membership questions. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to get notified every time we upload a new video. Have a good day and take care, everyone. Bye for now. See you on the next vid.